we met at the Fantastic Food Festival last June-ish, and he said, "Hey Patrick, Uncle Dougie here. We met and talked at a show last year. That would be the Fantastic Food Festival in New York City." Yeah. I shared a copy of my book with him. Imagine that. I have some very cool new products. Organic disruptive packaging. Wanted you to get you some samples to check out, and you wanted to mail us this, and so we're doing an unboxing here today.
Bring it, bring it, bring it! Let's go.
And I said I'm looking forward to being disrupted, so we're gonna see if we're gonna get disrupted.
I do remember meeting him, and the reason I remember is the no crap.
Yeah. First of all, let's look at this box.
I love the box.
I know. So I love that the critters all look like they've done a doobie or two. I mean, that's pretty good. Also, this box is branded on all sides, and the tape is next level. I mean, even to the tape level.
No crap.
No. Do I get to open it?
No, you get to comment on the box. I get to unbox it.
I
Love
don't
the
know
box,
what it's
love
in.
the tape.
What's in it, but
What's in the box? No idea. Spices?
Well,
peanuts?
100%. It
it's
says
funny.
100%
Yeah, gluten-free.
natural, gluten free.
No, then tell me what's in there.
I know.
Right on that
but
side.
Context clues.
Spice Master and fellow foodie.
See, there you go.
Huh?
Spices?
Fellow foodie, that's you.
Is there a cheeseburger in here?
No.
No, but it does say, this is pretty cool, I noticed, I didn't see this till you held it. Small batch, handcrafted quality,
I saw
no
that.
cheap corporate shortcuts.
I saw that.
Love it.
Literally hitting on all of the trending things right now, right?
Still
We
no
talk
idea
about
what's in there.
We have no idea.
No,
He does sauces and spices and stuff.
Oh, wait, what's his name?
And
Respect your meat.
Oh my gosh, that's so fun.
Ah, so right out of the gate,
Color.
color,
Beautiful.
blue skies, business cards, Uncle Dougie.
it's like money falling out of everything.
Here's kind of a press release update of Uncle Dougie.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so, product guide,
Yeah.
which is awesome.
Yeah.
So
Product
how
guide.
you
That's
can,
nice.
Scannable
Very
UPCs on here, so you can.
Squeezable.
This is a neat thing inside. So this is a guy who thinks ahead, puts nutritional labels in there, plus a scannable UPC, so the buyers can go ahead and get it into their program a lot easier, reorder a lot quicker. All his product lines are well represented. I'm ready to be disrupted though.
There you go.
Drum roll.
Oh, you know what?
That
That
is
is
different.
pretty.
Squeezable packaging.
It's like
This
see-through
is
but
cool.
not.
Color me disrupted. No, it's a.
So they stand up like this.
It stands up like this, but it's a
So you can
bag.
get every last drop.
I wonder if, okay, here's the thing, it's called Sauce Lovers Have a New Main Squeeze.
Oh.
Get it?
Oh, I like the heatometer.
The heat-o-meter.
New,
Because this
no
is two, and
waste,
that's so many. I can't.
There's none on that one. So it's heat-free.
no waste, no mess pouch. Better for the people and the planet. Lighter packaging reduces greenhouse gas emissions with transportation by more than 30%. They're lighter.
Very cool.
The products inside are USDA organic. I'm disrupted.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, I'd be curious to
crap.
see.
No crap.
I went online.
crap.
I'd be curious to see what they do at shelf,
Oh.
because this is cool. But like,
Yeah.
any kind of shopper marketing around it.
You know what? It's almost too like when I'm looking at it, the colors are not popping off the bag as much as I really want them to.
'Cause it's
So it'd
clear.
be neat to see if that's on purpose, or would you want to have like a white underneath it to make, you know what I
White
mean?
under here.
Oh,
yeah.
Leave that clear.
Like
Yeah.
another hit underneath it to make the colors pop.
Because you can't really see the product under here anyway.
Right,
So for
right.
it to be just clear down here would be better.
Which is cool. It's clear. I like
Yeah.
that a lot.
Mm-hmm.
Just,
Very cool.
I like it.
No crap.
Now you're taking us for lunch so we can try them all out.
We're gonna, obviously, we're gonna have to order
Hey.
something to eat.
Respect your meat. Let's go.
Nice.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.